Two of the hottest cashback credit cards in 2025 go head-to-head. Which one really delivers? On the left, Chase Freedom Unlimited, famous for its unlimited cashback and simple rewards. And on the right, Discover It Cashback, with its standout first-year cashback match. Let's skip the buzzwords and get to the real stuff. Each category earns points, and at the end, you'll see exactly who comes out on top. The result might not be what you expect. Here's the game plan. We're going to compare these two cards on a bunch of categories like annual fee, welcome bonus, cashback structure, ease of use, foreign transactions, intro APR, and the kind of credit you'll need to get approved. So stick with me. We'll look at each one and keep it super clear. Kicking off with annual fee. Honestly, this one's simple. Chase Freedom Unlimited? Zilch. No annual fee. And, surprise, Discover It Cashback? Also no annual fee. So, whichever one you pick, you're not shelling out that annoying yearly charge. In terms of pure cost, it's a total tie. Love that. All right, let's talk about that welcome bonus. Because who doesn't want free money? With Chase Freedom Unlimited, you get $200 after spending $500 in the first 3 months. Pretty easy requirements if you ask me. But, $200 max isn't exactly jaw-dropping these days. Now, Discover's take? No upfront cash, but here's the catch. They'll match all your cash back for the first year. No cap. So, yeah, if you use your card a ton, that could be way more than $200. You don't even have to hit a minimum spend. If you're thinking, wait, which is the winner here? Honestly, Discover's first-year match can explode past $200, so it slips ahead. Moving on to cashback structure. Chase Freedom Unlimited is all about keeping it easy. Unlimited 1.5% on every purchase. Seriously, you don't have to think, you just swipe. Plus, you get 5% back if you book travel through Chase, and 3% at drugstores and dining. Only catch? There's a foreign transaction fee. We'll get to that. Now, Discover, you get 5% back on those rotating bonus categories, like groceries one quarter, gas the next, if you remember to activate them every 3 months. All other purchases are just 1%, which, let's be honest, isn't amazing. And there's a $1,500 quarterly cap on those bonus categories. If you're not into managing that, Chase is definitely the more chill pick and takes the win for structure. Oh, here's something cool you might not have realized. Discover matches every single dollar of cash back you earn in the first year. Yeah, every cent. So whatever you've racked up, you'll get the same amount again at your anniversary. Kind of wild, right? Let's talk ease of use. With Chase Freedom Unlimited, you just swipe and forget. No activating categories, no calendars, no weird rules. Your rewards are always consistent. It really couldn't get more laid back. But with Discover It Cashback, you have to remember to activate those categories every quarter if you want to maximize your rewards. Bonus is only on up to $1,500 per quarter for those 5% areas, so if you miss the activation, you miss out. If you're the type who hates managing stuff, honestly, Chase has it locked here. All right, next up, foreign transactions. I know a bunch of you travel or just buy things from international shops online. Chase Freedom Unlimited? It's got a 3% foreign transaction fee every time you swipe outside the US or online internationally. Kind of a bummer, right? Discover It Cashback, though, totally waives those foreign fees, so you can take it anywhere around the world and not get hit by hidden costs. Pretty huge if you love traveling, and Discover wins hands down. Intro APR, gotta mention that if you plan big purchases or maybe transferring a balance. Both Chase Freedom Unlimited and Discover It Cashback come with a 0% intro APR for 15 months on both purchases and balance transfers. So no matter which one you pick, you get a little breathing room. Pretty cool. And it's a tie. Credit needed, another biggie for approvals. Both cards are looking for applicants with good to excellent credit. So if you're rocking a solid credit score, you should be good to go. No edge either way here. Another tie. All right, so if you stack these two up on a radar chart, you'd see Chase Freedom Unlimited spiking on simplicity, easy everyday rewards, ease of use, but Discover It Cashback pulls ahead on those big first-year bonuses and foreign transaction perks. There's a bit of give and take depending what means most to you. So, wrapping it all up, if you want a card that's just easy, always rewarding, and doesn't make you jump through hoops, go Chase Freedom Unlimited. If you love strategizing, planning your spending, and want to crush it with bonus categories, Plus, grab a sweet first-year boost. Discover at Cashback could honestly be the better play. Curious about other top contenders? Hang around for more breakdowns and card tips. Subscribe or drop a follow so you don't miss the money hacks coming.